Today we're going to be talking about why Terra Luna is up more than 50%. We're going to be talking about Do Kwon and the allegations against him and much more. So if you guys want to hear all of those things, go ahead and stick around till the end of the video so you don't miss any of this extremely important information. Also, leave a like and subscribe if you guys want more Terra Luna content, Terra Luna Classic content. Go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. We're going to be bringing it to you guys. But other than that, yeah, make sure that you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description with public. Literally all you have to do is deposit $1. You're going to get up to $300 with free stock. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon. And then also join our free section of our private Discord. We've called out three 100% gainers in the past 2 days on there. You're literally leaving money on the table if you're not joining that. But other than that, let's get into Terra Luna and everything that we have to talk about today. So this is going to be one of the most interesting times in Terra Luna and Terra Classics. Basically, since the collapse, it's going to be the most interesting day in a while. We have a bunch of different information, including the SEC investigating UST, Do Kwon, and we're also going to be going over a few allegations from Fat Man Terra. So if you guys want to see all of that in this video, stick around. I'm telling you, this is going to be a good video. You're not going to want to miss it. But anyways, Terra Classic, how is it doing today? It is up 49%. Now, the market cap sits at about 500 million, which is up 50% over the past 24 hours. Also, the volume is sitting at about 603 million, which is above its market cap. So that's why it's able to see this amount of gains, is because there's so much money being transacted with it. That volume is up 229% over the past 24 hours as well. The volume per market cap ratio is 1.13, which is extremely high. For Terra Luna, it's going to be sitting at about 37% in gains, which is it puts at about a $706 million market cap. That it hasn't been, the supply has not been confirmed yet, so we don't know if that's the real market cap, but the volume is 900 million, which is up 85% over the past 24 hours, so it's pretty believable. But the reason that Terra Luna didn't see as much in gains as Terra Classic is because basically Terra Classic is no longer involved with Do Kwon, which is going to be a good thing once we get into this news that you're about to hear. And then Terra Luna is going to not be, or they will be involved with Do Kwon still. So all of this bad news coming out for Do Kwon, while it's good for Terra Luna just because we're going to get clarity on what happened and how to move forward, it doesn't mean that Terra Luna is going to have as much in gains as Terra Classic. So Terra Classic holders are going to be much happier than Terra Luna holders today. But anyways, yeah, we're pretty much just going to be going over that. Obviously, over the past month, we have seen a very big drop off in Terra Classic as well as Terra Luna. You can see over the past 7 days, gone from $7 to $3.50, basically, seeing massive drops. But today was a great bounce back day. Now let's talk about the SEC and Do Kwon. So the SEC is going to be investigating UST stablecoin blow up and fresh threat to Terra. So this probe is going to be looking into the marketing of the token, also known as Terra USD. And last month's implosion is going to be among the biggest busts in crypto history. So we're extremely excited to talk about this today. Let's get into it. The US Securities and Exchange Commission is investigating whether the marketing of the Terra USD stablecoin before it crashed last month violated federal investor protection regulations, according to a person familiar with the matter. So basically, we have a whistleblower. The SEC enforcement attorneys are looking into whether Terraform Labs, the firm behind the coin, also known as UST, broke rules for security and investment products, said the person who is not asked to be named, discussing the confidential probe. So basically, we do have a whistleblower within Terraforms. They're like, hey, I don't want to get in trouble with this. I'm just going to go and say everything I know to the SEC. Now, you guys might say he's a snitch. However, if you lost money in Terra Luna, this might help you out. So the stablecoin was meant to maintain a one-to-one peg of the US dollar through an algorithm and trading in a related token called Luna. The implosion of UST started on May 7th, sent shockwaves across the crypto markets, and it kind of really exposed that crypto is not always as decentralized as we might see. And yes, this guy, Michael, called it a wake-up call to the comptroller of the currency. The SEC investigation may ratchet up pressure on Terraform and its CEO, Do Kwon, which are already facing scrutiny from the regulator for offering another crypto project known as the Mirror Protocol, which lets people to trade assets that track the price of US stocks. Neither Terraform nor Kwon has been accused of any wrongdoing related to UST yet. The SEC declined to comment, which is based in Singapore, or Terraform, which is based in Singapore, said in a statement that it isn't aware of any SEC investigation into UST. They say that they're not aware. We've received no such communication from the SEC and are aware of no new investigation outside of Mirror Protocol. Stable coins play a critical role in crypto, but basically, unlike others that purport to be backed to cash in similar assets, UST used algorithms and trader incentives to maintain its price. So that's basically how it was able to implode. How it did is because of the algorithmic nature of it. Under the mechanism, every time a UST token was created, $1 worth of Luna, the value of which was determined by the market, was destroyed. If the price dropped below $1, traders were motivated to swap UST for Luna, which would decrease the amount of the former circulation. So basically, that was how it was supposed to work. However, the SEC is going to be investigating all of this, and we will see how it does go. But yeah, Do Kwon basically also was sending 80 million a month to secret wallets. Now, we did go over this in my other video today, so you guys can go watch that if you would like. But basically, Terra employees reportedly confirmed to the SEC that Do Kwon cashed out on $80 million a month prior to the Luna and UST crash. A lot of people have blamed the crash on Do Kwon now. I'm gonna keep my opinions to myself just in case this gets a lot of views and Do Kwon doesn't like that. But anyways, Fatman Terra, I'm gonna be reporting what he said. Reminder that Do Kwon giving himself hundreds of millions in operating expenses isn't just fraud. It actively exasperated the collapse since it removed critical liquidity from Curve and Luna order books, making it easier for UST to actually depeg like it did, and harder for on-chain ARB to catch up. So basically, Fatman Terra says, hey, the reason that we all lost our money is because of Do Kwon. So I'm just reporting what people said. I'm reporting what's happening with the SEC, not giving any opinions of my own. However, this is a great day for LunC and Luna. You can see that they, on this news, went back up and are now up 50% over the last day, going from 45 to all the way to 82, almost a 100% gain at one point. Now we're starting to see it kind of level out now. Luna, same thing. They did get a bit of a bump there, go from $2.16 all the way up to $3.45 at one point. So this is great for Terra Luna and Terra Classic, and I can't wait to see what we keep doing. I hope that we continue up on this uptrend. We can see we're still trending up on the MACD on both of these coins, and the RSI is only at 56 on both of them. So yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. Make sure that you guys leave a like and subscribe and watch our other videos that we put out today. We went over different information into different ones, so go ahead and watch all of them. And then also go ahead and use the first link in the description, deposit $1, get your free stock with Public, and then join our free section of our private Discord with that second link in the description. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.